Incessant rain in the past few days have resulted to flash flood in Khoupum Valley since yesterday night, destroying vast stretches of land and infrastructure in the valley, which is located under None district. The destruction was witnessed at low-lying area just below the Khoupum Dam, which is overflowing with huge amount of flood water. The flash flood has caused destructions to houses and properties as people had little time to take out their belongings. The flood has also caused major damages to paddy fields where crops have been sowed recently, creating huge dent to local farmers on the prospect of a good harvest this season. Streets and important infrastructure have also been inundated by the flood water. Meanwhile, a team of police have issued warning to locals to be cautious and vigilant after inspecting the condition of the Khoupum Dam, as further rain could trigger more inundation and other disaster in the valley.